Hello wonderful viewers, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Jude. Let's use completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation. Before we do that, please click the like button, share for others to see. In our previous videos, you have done a factorization method, you have done the formula method. Today, let's use completing the square method. Please, let's solve. Okay, now, if you are solving this is 4x squared plus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now the first thing you need to do is to divide through with the coefficient of x squared, which is 4. So meaning you're going to divide here with 4, divide here with 4, divide here with 4, divide here with 4. Now this 4 will cancel this 4. You are left with x squared plus 13x over 4 plus 9 over 4 is equal to what? 0. Because 0 dividing 4 will give us what? 0. Now the next thing you need to do is to move plus 9 over 4 to cross the equality sign, and it will become minus 9 over 4. So we're having x squared plus 13x over 4 is equal to minus 9 over 4. This will cross the equality sign to give us a minus 9 over 4. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to do half multiplying the coefficient of x, which is 13 over 4. 13 over 4 all squared. Now, if you do so, 1 times 13 will give us 13. 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. This is 13 over 8 all what? Squared. Now this 13 over 8 all squared, we are going to add it to both sides. We are going to add it to this side, we are going to add it to the other side of the equation. So this will give us x squared plus 13x all over 4 plus 13 over 8 brackets all squared is equal to minus 9 over 4 plus 13 all over 8 all squared. Now, hope you are following. Then you're going to pick x because it's having a square. You pick 13 over 8 because it's having a square. So this will give us x squared plus 13, x plus 13 over 8 all squared. It's still the same thing. This 2 is still affecting x. 2 is affecting 13 over 8. So if you simplify further, you still get x squared plus 13 over 8 what squared. So this will now give us minus 9 over 4. 13 squared means 13 times 13 will give me 169. All over 8 squared means 8 times 8 to give me 64. Now what did I do? This 2 is affecting 13 and affecting what? 8 squared. Is affecting 8 also. Now you bring down the left hand side of the equation. X plus 13 over 8 all squared is equal to, you now simplify this. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 64? LCM of 4 and 64 will still give us 64 because 4 can still go into 64. 4 into 64 will give me 16. 16 times minus 9 will give me minus 144. Plus 64 dividing itself is 1. 1 multiply 169 will give us 169. Then you bring down the left hand side of the equation, which is x plus 13 over 8 all squared is equal to, now minus 144 plus 169 is what? Minus 25 all over what? Plus 25 all over what? 64. Now what does it mean? You are having 169 naira. You are owing someone 144. Out of your 169, if you give the person 144, you are left with what? 25 naira. So this is 25 over what? 64. Then to simplify further, we are going to take square roots of what? Both sides. Now these 2 will cancel the square root. You are left with what? X plus 13 over 8 is equal to plus or minus, what is the square root of 25? 5. What is the square root of 64? 8. So at this point now, look at what we are going to do. Let me clean this other side of the board. Look at what we are going to do at this point. Now at this point, plus 13 over 8 will cross the equality sign to give us minus 13 over 8. So this is x is equal to minus 13 over 8 plus or minus 5 over what? 8. Now, what are we going to do next? We are going to simplify further. So this will give us x is equal to minus 13 plus 5 all over what? 8. We are picking 8 because they are the same thing. Or x is equal to minus 13 minus 5 all over what? 8. We use the plus and minus sign to separate. Now, this is x is equal to minus 13 plus 5 will give me minus 8 all over 8. Or x is equal to minus 13 minus 5 will give me minus 18, because this means you are owing two persons. The first person 13, the second person 5. Now minus 8 divide 8 will give me x is equal to minus 1. Or x is equal to, what can divide 18 and 8 simultaneously? 2. 2 in 18 will give me 9. 2 in 8 will give me 4. So x is equal to minus 9 over what? 4. These are the two roots you are going to get using completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation. Thank you for having me today. Bye-bye.